But they're still looking for someone, dude. O sea que alguien salió corriendo del carro. Fuck. And we're like so close to it, man. He's gonna close the gas station. Because they close it when he does this. They do like a reset on the system. They can't sell gas right now and stuff.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, here we are, right off the 60 freeway.
That's reporter Myra.
Hello. Right here, we don't know what's going on, but I'm just...
Okay.
Some crazy motherfucker must have, led the police on a high pursuit. And they ended up right here, getting off of, what street are we on?
Euclid. And that's the 60 freeway. That's the entrance to the 60 East freeway.
Yes. And I believe they're looking for somebody because there's a pinche helicopter up in the sky too.
Yep.
AKA a ghetto bird.
I like that. Ghetto bird.
We're just chilling here at the arco store. Oh, so sad. Because I don't know what.
Exactly.
Just chilling.
Exactly.
Checking out the policia. Yes.
That's crazy. Who's that? Did he close it según él or what? Oh my god. A lo mejor si suelta el pinche teléfono, you know what I mean? No. They don't seem to be. Oh, yeah, I guess they are.
Y se acabó el show.
Se acabó.
Se acabó el show.
Cops are leaving, so it's a wrap. Hello, Max.
¿A dónde tan peinada? ¡Ey, ey, ey!